How to link Outlook with Google Calendar. Open Outlook and go to the File tab, then select Account Settings and click on Account Settings again. Choose the Internet Calendars tab and click New, then paste your Google Calendar iCal link, which you can get by going to your Google Calendar settings and copying the secret address in iCal format. After pasting the link, click Add, then give your calendar a name and description so it's easier to recognize. Once you click OK, your Google Calendar will appear in Outlook under the Other Calendar section. This lets you view your Google events alongside your Outlook calendar, making it easier to keep track of everything in one place. Keep in mind that this method usually provides a one-way sync, so updates made in Google Calendar will show in Outlook, but changes made in Outlook won't sync back to Google. If you want two-way syncing, you may need to use third-party tools or Microsoft 365 integration. And that's basically how to link Outlook with Google Calendar. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.